Welcome to Kaizen model. Kaizen means continuous improvement through small, practical ideas suggested by employees. This system encourages participation, improves quality, productivity, safety, and helps reduce cost. The purpose of this Kaizen model is to provide a structured and transparent process where employees can submit improvement ideas, management can evaluate them, and approved ideas can be implemented and tracked. Let's begin with the Kaizen dashboard. This dashboard provides a centralized and real-time view of all Kaizen continuous improvement activities across the organization. It is designed to track ideas from submission to implementation while measuring both operational and financial impact. At the top, the dashboard highlights executive metrics, which reflect the overall value generated through Kaizen initiatives, followed by core metrics and operational excellence, giving leadership a quick, high-level understanding of overall Kaizen performance. The dashboard also includes multiple visual charts and graphs to represent Kaizen data from different perspectives: workflow pipeline chart, category chart, savings trend chart, aging analysis, standardization versus rollout chart, monthly submission trend, priority chart, department-wise participation. In addition, it highlights top contributors and displays recent Kaizen suggestions for quick visibility. Overall, this dashboard ensures transparency, monitoring, and decision support, enabling leadership to track improvement initiatives at a glance and ensure continuous value creation across the organization. Now, let's explore the Kaizen model in detail. Following the complete life cycle from idea submission to implementation, the system also provides multilingual feature. In addition to English, we can enable multiple languages, allowing users to work comfortably in their preferred language. Creating a new Kaizen suggestion. To begin, users can create a new Kaizen suggestion. Each suggestion is automatically assigned a unique sequence number. The suggestion form captures essential employee information, suggestion details, and a description tab. Users provide the problem or area requiring improvement, proposed solution, and expected benefits that will result from implementing the suggestion. Supporting documents, images, or reference files can be attached to provide additional context. Once all information is entered, then it will be submitted for review. Next, the suggestion progresses to assign to evaluator. Once accepted, it enters accepted for evaluation. It then moves into analysis and recommendation. After analysis, the suggestion is assigned to implementer. Once execution is completed, the status becomes implemented. If further monitoring is required, it moves to re-evaluation. Finally, the Kaizen suggestion is closed or rolled out. This comprehensive stage-wise workflow ensures that every Kaizen suggestion is systematically reviewed, evaluated, and implemented with proper accountability and traceability. From submission to implementation and re-evaluation, each stage captures critical information, assigns responsibility. In addition to this, we also provide a speech-to-text feature that supports multiple languages. Users can speak in any language, and the system automatically converts their voice into text. This makes Kaizen participation faster, easier, and more accessible for all employees.
कंपोनेंट भारी होने से पार्ट उठाकर मशीन में लगाने के लिए आदमी को दिक्कत होती है। इंस्टॉल पिक एंड प्लेस सिस्टम। आदमी का फटीग कम होता है और पार्ट लोडिंग अनलोडिंग साइकिल टाइम कम होता है।